fall in love with Davao. An iconic region known for its beaches and hidden coves. Truly a sun lover's paradise. Take a stroll along the shoreline and soak in the stunning views. Then head to Mount Apo Natural Park. Reach the peak and experience the thrill of trekking through the highest point in the country. Challenge yourself and try a different route. Unwind in the mainit sulfuric hot springs. Here, you can find warmth and relaxation from the soothing waters. By exploring the historic towers, blending with the surrounding nature, then relive history by discovering impressive displays. Listen to the ancient music that lets us glimpse the past and also connect to its colorful future. Taste Davao's famous durian and savor its unique flavor. Indulge in the local culinary delights made from the freshest catch. Play in the sands where you can enjoy the sun, sea, and vibrant region that offers adventure and unique experiences. Come and discover it all.
Mabuhay. Good day everyone. My name is Salit Oracle. Today, I will discuss about Davao Occidental. First is province capital. Malita, it is the center of the government and main town of Davao Occidental. Many important offices and businesses are found here. Second is tourist attraction. Don Marcelino Marine Sanctuary, a protected area in the sea where you can see colorful corals and many kinds of fish. It is great for snorkeling and diving. Second, Malita Tribal Museum, a museum that shows the culture, history, and traditional items of the native tribe in Davao Occidental. Third is Cusnes Delicacies. Adlay rice, a nutritious sweet often used as a rice substitute. It is grown by local farmers in the province. Daral, a sweet delicacy made of coconut meat wrapped in a tin whip like dough. It tastes soft and sweet. Fourth is Festival, Ginaway Festival, a celebration that shows unity and peace among the different tribes, includes cultural dance, music, and colorful performance. That's all. Thank you.
I can see the light from your bedroom door. You've been staying up late, I don't know what for. Let's watch the spinning blades of the ceiling fan. Let's count the running sheep, come on, take my hand. Come on and take my. I can be a sunset ray. You
afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. I am Medina Panilagan, BSM 2A. The topic is Region 6 and the Growth 11. Davao de Oro is a province in the Davao region of Mindanao, Philippines, known for its natural attraction, like Awao Falls and Tagbibintang Falls. Formerly called Compostela Valley, it was created as a separate province in 1998. Its capital is Nabanturan and its economy relies on various sectors. Mga spots nga pwede ninyong adtuan, kauban ninyong mga barkada ninyo or mga pamilya ninyo og loved ones. Amakan Cater, Awao Falls, Lake Leonard, Tagbibinta Falls, Malumagpak Falls, Copiat Island, Endless Flowers, Maringig Falls, Garden and Nursery, MT Panagdagsaan, Moose 8 Resorts, Bibingka, Binsalohalo, Dosit, Tanilubi Plantation, Pantukan Water World, Sea Eagle Beach Resorts, Magnaga Waters Beach Resorts, D. Fortis Nature Park and Island Resort. Davao del Norte is a province in the Davao region of Mindanao, Philippines, with its capital in Tagum City. The province is composed of 3 sites and 8 municipalities and has a population of over 1.1 million people. Its economy is driven by agriculture and tourism, and it features natural attractions like Samal Island. Og ang mga turista nga pwede mong puntahan katulad ng Hagimit Falls, Talikod Island, Kaputian Beach, Canibad Beach, Tagum Night Market, Panals Falls, Botanical Park San Agustin, Tagum Energy Park, Okbot Cave Kapalong, Icing Peace, Mimurtay, Carmen, Panabo Mariculture Park, Mosdu, Snorkeling in Davao Golf, See the Giant, Tacloban Clam, Go Caving in Kapalong na pwede ninyo liguan, enjoy the white sand beach in Samali, Mosboy, Davao Table, Mos Eat and Drink, Davao Sikwati, Davao del Norte 1, Davao Banana, Escape Manila, Balot in Carmen. That's all, thank you.
Mabuhay, I am Akin Flores Orozco, and this is my report about Region 11, Davao del Sur. Capital province of Davao del Sur is Digo City. Digo City is the main city and center of government businesses and service in Davao del Sur. Tourist attraction of Digo City is Mount Apo. Mount Apo is the highest mountain in the Philippines. It is popular for hiking. It has a beautiful nature and wildlife. Cousins and delicacies. Cousins is putumaya with seaweed. Sticky rice topped with coconut milk, usually served with hot chocolate drink and seaweed. Festival of Digo City is one Sinolog sa Digos, a colorful festival with street dancing and music to honor Santo Niño, the child Jesus. Mangosteen and durian. Famous tropical fruits grown in the province, durian has a strong smell but sweet taste, while mangosteen is soft and juicy. Capital province of Davao Oriental is Mati City. The main city of Davao Oriental, where important office, schools, and businesses are located. Tourist attraction, Dahican Beach. A long and beautiful white sand beach known as surfing, skimboarding, and watching sea turtles. Cuisines and delicacies: kinilaw na tuna, fresh raw tuna mixed with vinegar, onions, and spices. It's a popular Filipino seafood dish. Suman sa busa, a sweet sticky rice delicacy wrapped in leaves and cooked with coconut. Festival of Mati City. Biwok Festival, a fun celebration in Mati City held nearby the bay with music, food, dances, and different local activities.